Hi children, how are you? In the previous class, we are discussing about 10th lesson, our food, our health. Now, all of you children, open page number 124. Now, see today topic is what kind of food should we eat? See, what kind of food should we eat? Which type of food should we eat? See there. How is wasting of food disadvantageous? Unfavorable. Now, how is wasting of food is disadvantageous? Now, what happens if we eat stale food? What happen if we eat stale food? Means if we eat unhappen food, what happen? Diseases will come. Yes or no? We will fall sick. Why does the food go stale? See why it becomes unfresh. How does the food get contaminated, spoil? How does it getting spoiled? Now food gives us energy and help us stay healthy. See, by eating food only we are getting energy, yes or no? Food gives us energy and health also. If we eat good food only, our health is good. Otherwise, if we are eating stale food, our health is not good in good condition. Now, hence we should take proper care and measure to keep food safe. So, everyone should take care. Proper care means we should cover our food properly. Then only our food is healthy. Otherwise, it is not healthy. Do you know what happens if we neglect eating good food? See what happens if we are not eating good food. If we are not eating good food, our health become unhealth. We will fall sick if we are not eating food. Energy will not come in our body. If we are eating good food only, energy is produced in our body. Observe the picture given and discuss in class. Now see, all children, look at the picture here given. See what you are observing. You all know, you are eating also, yes or no? Outside, whenever you are going outside, you are also liking to eat this. What is this? Pani puri, yes or no? What they are selling here? Pani puri. Now see here, some house flies also moving around that pani puris, yes or no? Now see, some members are eating here. He is serving in the plates. She also making her child to eat that pani puri. You also liking pani puri, no? Whenever you are going outside, you will also ask your parents to you want that. Now what happens if we eat that type of food? See, now think, have you ever seen house flies sitting on the food we eat? See, did you observe any times house flies are sitting on the food we eat? Yes, house flies mostly sit on the food we eat. Now, what are the other harmful insects seen on food? See, what are other harmful insects you can see on the food? Ants, like ants, mosquitoes. Sometimes mosquitoes also move around food. You can observe these some other insects which move on around food. Now, what are the different food items sold on the roadside? See here, this food item sold around roadside only, yes or no? Pani puri is sold on the roadside. Again, along with that, what is the food items sold on the roadside? Pani puri, samosa, cutlet, again Manchuria. These all items were sold on the roadside. Now what happens if the food items are not covered properly? See what happen if the food items are not covered properly. If the food items are not covered properly, like this. See, you can observe here in the picture. So they didn't kept any plates on the items. That's why house flies are moving around the item there. Like that, some flies will move around the food if you are not covered the food properly. Now see here, If the food items are not covered properly, dust, germs, flies, and another harmful insects sit on the food and contaminate it. See, if the food is not covered properly, what happen? Or the dust will come and sit, germs also, flies also, and again another insects also come and sit on the food and make it poisonous. Now, harmful germs and microorganisms stick to the body of the flies as they live in dirty places. These flies and mosquitoes, where they were living? In contaminated water only. Yes or no? Dirty water only. That's why these flies, when they come, stick to the body, they live in dirty places. See, that flies live in dirty places. See, when they move around food, what happened? They leave the dust particles on the food and go make the food contaminated. Now they contaminate the food. These flies, when they move around the food, no, they are contaminating the food, when they are poisoning the food. Now we eat and cause harm to our health. See, we eat that type of food and we are only responsible for our health. Yes or no? We are only causing harm to our health. See, we are only eating that type of food. Even though flies are moving around here, we like to eat that food. Now, if we are eating this type of food, what happens? Our health is becoming ill. Some hotels and roadside food vendors use the same oil again and again. In some hotels, what they are doing? They are using same oil again and again. Means they are using the heated oil again and again. That oil is not healthy. Now, oil that is heated many times is not good for health. See, if you are eating that type of oil which is heated again and again, it is not good for our health. So, we should not eat such food. We should always eat fresh and hot food. Which food we should eat? We should eat always fresh food and hot food. Then only our health remains good, in good condition. Otherwise, our health become ill. Now, we should always prefer eating food prepared at home. Which food we should prefer first? We should prefer food only made in house, at home only. In our home, whatever is prepared, that food only we should eat. We should not eat roadside food. Now, we should eat clean food. Which food we should eat? Clean food and hot food and fresh food. Yes or no? Even though the food is clean, we may fall sick if we eat with dirty hands. See, even the food is clean and good. See, if we are not washing our hands, what happens? If we are eating food with dirty hands, also makes us ill. Now, hence, good food habits are a must for everyone. So, hence, everyone need good food habits for everyone. See, let us find out what good food habits you have. See, now let's see what good habits you have now. Read the following and tick against the one if you follow it. Now read the following and tick. Which one you are following, you tick, put the right mark there. Now, do you follow this? Now, do you all follow this? See here. If you are following, put right mark there. Now, do you always eat fresh food? Yes or no? If yes, you put right mark. If you are eating fresh food daily, you put right mark there. Now, do you wash your hands with soap before you eat? See, every day you are washing your hands with soap before you eat? Yes. Now, do you wash your plates clean after eating? See, you are washing or your mother washing after you are eating? You only washing, then you put right mark. Now, do you cover food items with a lid? Yes, we will cover our items with a lid. Now, do you prefer eating food made at home to roadside food? See which food you will prefer first. Home side food. Homemade food. You write there. Now, do you eat fresh and cheap fruits, vegetables and leafy vegetables as available seasonally? As we are eating fresh vegetables and leafy vegetables which are available in season. Now, do you always use dustbins to throw away garbage and not litter everywhere? Yes, we always using dustbins to throw garbage. Now, do you wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after using toilets? After using toilets, you are washing your hands with soap? Yes, then put right mark. Now, do you brush your teeth every morning and before going to bed? Do you massage your gums with your fingers? See children, everyone, you are brushing your teeth early in the morning and also before you are going to bed, and then you are massaging your gums with your fingers. Yes, then you put right mark there. Now, do you rinse your mouth before and after every meal? See, do you wash your mouth before and after meal, every meal? Put right mark. Then turn your page children, 126. See children, here everyone should follow good food habits as listed above. Everyone should follow all these habits. You should wash your hands before you eat with soap. You should eat fresh food. You should clean your plate after you eating. You should cover your food items with a lid, and you should eat only homemade food, and you should not eat roadside food. You should eat fresh food. You should eat fresh fruits and vegetables. You should use dustbins to throw your garbage. You should wash your hands after using toilets, and you should brush every day in the morning and while you are going to bed. You should rinse your mouth before and after eating the meal. These things everyone should follow these good habits. Now, if you are not following them every day, then follow them compulsory from today. See, if you are following, it is good. If you are not following, from now onwards you follow it without fail. Now, when food items are stored, many kinds of microorganisms grow and spoil them. See what happens when food items are stored? Microorganisms grow on them and make it spoil. Now see here, do this. You do this children. Take a piece of bread. All children take a piece of bread and sprinkle some water on it. What you are doing? Some water you sprinkle. Then keep it aside in a dark place. Where you are keeping in dark place means you are not allowing air and light into the room. That place you keep for 3 to 4 days. How many days you are keeping? 3 to 4 days. Now observe the changes. See what happened if you are keeping. Now see here, bread will become like this. What happened here? Bread, you are sprinkling water after you are storing it for 3 to 4 days in dark place. See, bacteria is formed on the bread. See now, did you observe any spots on the piece of bread? Yes, you can see some spots is appearing on the bread. Now what is the color of the spots? See which color it is appeared? Green color. Yes or no? Now did you notice any change in the order of the bread? See, smell of this bread changes, no? Yes. Fresh bread and this bread smell is different. Changes happen. Now is it good to eat this? See this one. This bread is good to eat now? No, it is not good to eat now. It is not good to eat such bread. Yes. Why? because bacteria and fungus are formed on the bread. That's why it is not good to eat. If you are eating that food, you will become, your health become unhealthy. So it is not good to eat such bread. Now, have you noticed molds and fungus on pickles? Yes, on pickles also you can see this type of fungus and molds. Rotten vegetables and fresh coconut, why do they form? Think and answer. Now, why did they form? You think now and answer. See here. Now, do these keep the cooked food and raw food in separate vessels? See what you are doing. You keep the cooked food and raw food in separate vessels and observe for 2 days. What you are observing? What changes do you notice in its colors and smell, etc.? Order means smell, etc. What changes you are observing in its color and smell, you know right here. Now discuss in groups. What are the changes seen in rice? See what happen if you are keeping raw rice like that only, it is good. Cooked rice, it will become stale, unfresh. Yes or no? Now what are the changes seen in dal, sambar and curries? See, dal and sambar, it is always cooked. So it also become unfresh, stale. Now if they are not cooked, it becomes remain fresh for some time, some days. Now what caused the changes is in preserved food items. See, in preserved food items, in stored items, you saw now here in the bread, some bacteria and fungus are formed. Yes or no? Now what changes are observed in milk and curd? In milk and curd also you can see some bacteria are formed if you preserve that. Now what changes do you observe in raw fruits and vegetables? See, raw fruits and vegetables. Now which food gets spoiled quickly? Is it cooked or uncooked? Why? See, which food getting spoiled quickly? Cooked food or uncooked food? Cooked food only gets spoiled quickly. Uncooked cooked food remain good. Now turn your page 127. Now see, harmful microorganisms make food items poisonous. See, who are making these food items poisonous? Microorganisms making these items poisonous. If we eat this kind of poisonous food, we fall sick. See what happen if we are eating this kind of food? We will fall sick. Now care must be taken to keep food clean and safe from dust and harmful germs. Everyone should cover their food with a lid, otherwise harmful germs will enter into the food. So everyone need to take care of your food. Now we should always eat fresh food. Which way we should eat? Fresh and hot food. Now we should not buy or cook food in excess. See, we should not buy cook food in more quantities. We must cook or buy only the required quantity of food. See, how much we needed, that much only we should cook, or how much we need, that much only we should buy the vegetables or anything food. Otherwise it will become spoiled. It will get spoiled. And not waste and spoil it. See, how much you required food, that much only you cook food. Otherwise you are cooking in more quantities, it will get spoiled. Like that only, vegetables while you are buying, you buy the required quantities only. If you are buying more and more, they will also get spoiled. Okay children, in the next class we will discuss about preservation of food.